Question problem number 25 on your test 1 review is very similar to question number 24. In fact, if you haven't watched the solution on my YouTube site to question 24 on your test 1 review for 1033, I think you should watch that before we do, or before you look at number 25. All right, let's go to the paper. What we're asked to do, problem number 25. We're asked to find the slope-intercept equation of a line, and we're given two pieces of information. The line that we're looking for is perpendicular to the line with this equation, and the line that we're looking for passes through the ordered pair 0, 5. Now, as I said in question 24, and I'm going to reiterate it here, ultimately what you're giving me as an answer to this problem is the equation y equals mx plus b. That's really what you're going to give me as an answer, because this is the slope-intercept equation of a line. But there are obviously two things you need to fill in, because this is generic and you need to make it specific. You need to tell me what the slope is, and you need to tell me what b is, all right, which is the y-intercept. All right. Let me take this line right here. All right? The line that I'm looking for is perpendicular to, that's what I mean by this symbol, perpendicular to the line whose equation is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 7. Now, what you need to recall about lines that are perpendicular to each other, and that's what this symbol means, perpendicular to. If two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are opposite reciprocals of each other. This line, since it's already written in slope-intercept form, we know that the number in front of the x is the slope of this line, which is negative 1/3. If you take the opposite reciprocal of that, well, opposite a negative means it's a positive, and when you take the reciprocal of 1/3, you would get a 3. That automatically lets me know that my line, the line that I'm looking for, my line has slope 3. And the reason we know that is because when lines are perpendicular, their slopes are opposite reciprocals. If this line has slope negative 1/3, my line has slope positive 3. Means I just found m. m is equal to 3. So I know what to plug in for m. Now, this piece of data is also very important. The fact that this point 0, 5 lies on the line immediately tells me that b is equal to 5. And here's why. This is a really nice way to, this is great that they gave us this ordered pair. When x is 0, that means that this ordered pair is on the y-axis. Now that only happens when x is 0. So if I know this point's on the y-axis, which it is, this means this has to be the y-intercept. So anytime somebody tells you something like 0, 5 is on the line, you automatically know that b is 5. Now, if they said 1, 5 was on the line, no, it wouldn't work. You'd have to do the problem like we did back in number 24. But basically here, they've handed us the information. We use the idea behind what perpendicular slopes are. We use the fact that the ordered pair 0, 5 is really the y-intercept, which means b is 5. Now I can get my answer. Y equals mx plus b. And there is my equation. The answer to this problem, the equation of this line, y equals 3x plus 5, and we're done. Very easy problem. You just have to keep your wits about you and interpret the data that's given.